After leaving Puerto Escondido, I stayed a few days here and a few days there, slowly exploring the islands around Laredo. It's great cruising ground, with plenty anchorages to choose from. Laredo itself is a small but very beautiful town, pretty clean and very good looking. There are no bars at the beach playing loud music all night, and life is easy here. Laredo is known as one of the last places to get decent provisioning on your way north, deeper into the Sea of Cortez. It has an international airport, pretty decent cell phone coverage, a few big supermarkets, and a few other small businesses to assist the sailors' needs.
So I decided to go to a barbershop here, which is kind of strange with my Spanish, to tell them what I exactly want, but I hope it's coming out like I want. Let's see. Now it starts. Let's see how I look afterwards. So this turned out to be pretty much like I wanted it, so my Spanish is getting better.
The anchorage in Laredo is more an open roadstead. Usually calm, but there can be a nasty short and steep wave rolling in, which makes anchoring quite uncomfortable. But only 5 miles north of Laredo lies the beautiful Isla Coronado. It has a picturesque anchorage on the south and is as close to paradise as it can be, especially when you share this place with cruiser friends. We enjoyed the beauty of this special place, walked through crystal clear warm water over pure white sand. When all of a sudden Michael screamed and held his foot. Something had bitten or stung him, which causes severe pain.
What happened, Michael?
I don't know. We think I got hammered by a stonefish.
That's a serious little bite you have.
But the problem is it's on the top of my foot, not on the sole, as is indicative with this fish's attack.
It could be.
So what could go over the top of my foot? A little ray? How about a little ray?
It could be a stingray. I haven't seen anything swimming away. I mean, I was standing right next to you.
Okay, let's try stingray. Like the venom from stingrays, the venom from all stinging fish can be partially deactivated with heat by immersing the affected foot in non-scalding hot water, just like you said.
I'm boiling already.
14 Fahrenheit, 45 Celsius.
How much? 45?
Mm-hmm. For 5 to 10 minutes. You said 50. After a hot water soak, the small puncture wound should be cleaned with soap and water and irrigated with a vigorous stream of fresh water. The affected foot should be elevated above the level of the heart. Oh, this fucking thing got me on the top. Why is it on the top if it's a stonefish? It felt like something came over the top like this. Up and over and down like this.
Yeah,
Wham!
yeah, like a stingray do.
Yeah, let's do stingray.
Here, stingray and barb.
Okay.
Stingrays are shy, non-aggressive bottom dwellers that burrow into the sandy bottoms of tropical and semi-tropical waters. As a purely defensive weapon, stingrays possess on 1 or 2 3 to 6 inch long serrated barbs located on the back of their thick muscular tail. When stepped on or disturbed, a stingray will reflexively whip its tail back, often inflicting a puncture wound or jagged laceration to the helpless victim's foot or ankle. Exactly what happened to you.
Yes. Yeah.
Adding insult to injury, the barb is encased in a thin venom-filled sheath, effectively making it a poison-tipped spear. The pain from a sting is sudden and severe, exactly what you had. Often described as an electrical or burning pain. Does it come close?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is correct. It was just like you said. Like I had been stabbed with a knife. But worse than just being stabbed with a knife, there was the after effect of the burning sensation and the feeling of this swelling pain going up into the ankle bone and up into my leg bone and all the way up to my knee.
It reaches its peak of intensity in 30 to 60 minutes and often radiates up the leg. Other symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, weakness, muscle twitching and dizziness may occur, but are uncommon.
Good.
Stings to be abdomen, chest and arteries are extremely rare but can have fatal consequences, as was the case with crocodile hunter Steve Irwin.
Yes, I know this story.
Okay, stingray wounds should be vigorously irrigated with clean fresh water or saline solution to wash away bacteria, reducing the risk of infection. Next, soak the foot in non-scalding hot water, 45 degree. For 5 to 10 minutes, which deactivates the venom and provides significant pain relief.
Okay, it seems that I have been stung on the top of my right foot by a stingray while walking in some pristine water. However, in my lack of awareness to the surrounding area, this incident has taken place. I feel very fortunate that my good friend and our sailing buddy Christian on his boat Zero was here with us when this happened and was able to take immediate action. And I would not have known to keep the foot in hot water or to treat it as it's being treated, which seems to be working and alleviating the pain. Sufficient temperature.
It's better a little bit too hot than it's too cold. If it's too cold, it's not.
Let's stop there for a moment, okay?
It's not eating up the protein.
Yeah. It's very.
Here for the brave kids today.
Thank you so much. Here, Mama. Hey, guess what?
I don't need cookies.
Whoa. I'm dizzy. Woo. Oh, those smell good. Coconut, man.
Oh, coconut.
Awesome.
You're dizzy?
Yeah, I sat up and I was really dizzy. Ooh.
These two books, Where There's No Doctor, this is a very famous book. And this one is good because it has the smaller stuff, which is not
Right.
not intentionally really dangerous, but
Right.
can be kind of
Right.
pain in the ass, like this one.
Right, right.
So these two books I can recommend to have it in your library.
Yeah, I can understand.
It's a pain gone. I mean,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not gone, but it's so far down now that it's not. It's not an issue.
so this is 30 minutes after. We are on the boat around for 30 minutes, so it's
Yes.
45 minutes after we
Right.
got stung.
Right.
And they say the highest pain goes between 30 and 60 minutes after.
Okay.
They
I believe that.
say it here. Now is trying to clean it a little bit. It has a tissue and
Okay.
you can turn into Waterman already.
Yeah, I can tell that.
Other symptoms can occur, and depending on the size of the ray and the position where it stung, it can be more dangerous and professional medical assistance might be necessary. But in our case, the hot water did reduce the pain a lot, and we cleaned the wound with antiseptic spray.
Okay.
Of course we were cautious, but no other problems occurred.
Now go through it.
And all which was left is a little scar and a good story to tell.
On the ocean, far away from home, out in the ocean, doesn't feel alone. It's just me and my boat. It's just me and my boat.
Please.
Butcher.
Butcher's right.
Mine, 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 mine.